Hey, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder. You're watching Caribbean TV. Keep it locked. Girl, I'm gonna love you. Peace.
What's your name?
Sharice Robinson.
And what's your business?
I'm a physician in Chicago.
What's your business?
I own a villa in Montego Bay, Jamaica.
Okay, what inspired you to open this business?
I've traveled to Jamaica for many years, about 15 years, and it was such a beautiful and inviting country.
Why should people visit this villa versus others?
This villa is very nice. It's new construction. It's made with all the comforts of home. It's 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. When you go to Jamaica, you can be comfortable and live in luxury, and it's affordably priced in Montego Bay.
How can people contact you?
People can reach me at www.chicagotojamaica.com. We have a range of full services available, housekeeper, cook, we have chauffeur drivers. The home is beautiful and luxurious, and you can also enjoy the beautiful island of Jamaica.
We're live here in Union Park. If you're looking for the real Jamaican food, come here. Maxine's Original Spice, located on the Madison and Cicero. We're celebrating Jamaican independence. I am June.
Hi, I'm Nellie Lacey, registered nurse with the Chicago Department of Health, and we're out here at the Jamaican Independence. We're here the health part of this festival today. This is Dr. O.D. Payne III.
Hi, how are you?
And Dr. Payne is going to give you a little bit of information about our table here with our presentation about prostate cancer. Dr. Payne, what do you have to tell some of these gentlemen about prostate examination?
Thank you very much, Nellie Lacey. If I can say this just for a second, that we want to thank Martin Intercultural for, in fact, bringing this lovely fest, the Caribbean Fest. And we are out here under lovely skies today, and we're bringing health information, as Nurse Lacey just said. And we're talking about everything from prostate cancer to diabetes, to hypertension, and those kinds of things that really, really are important to us in life. Unfortunately, too much of our health care goes unattended because of access to care, and we are about the business of trying to influence care. Pardon me, sir. Okay, we have a lot of people out here, as you can see, and so therefore we invite them, in fact, to come over to our tent so we can give information regarding the health care. Nurse Lacey, did you want to say something in a moment?
I want to encourage all women to do self-breast examinations, get your pelvic examination, get your mammograms on a regular basis. It's very important that you get these tests done because early detection saves lives.
We do like that particular sentence in terms of early detection saves lives, because it goes the same way with prostate cancer as well. Early detection saves lives.
Hi there, my name is Glenn Buckner with the Jamaica Tourist Board. Just like to wish you in the diaspora happy independence. Jamaica, as you know, is celebrating its 46th year of independence from Great Britain, and we're very proud to be part of the Jamaican diaspora and the Caribbean diaspora. We're co-sponsoring this massive event here in Chicago. This is the Caribbean Festival and the Jamaica Independence celebrations, and it's being held at Union Park, and it's a wonderful, wonderful event. They're expecting upwards of 50,000 people here, and you can hear the music in the background. Jamaica, as you know, is wonderful for visitors. Tourism is our #1 industry, and so we're really expecting all of you to come down and enjoy yourselves.
Hi, I'm Lori, and this is my husband Bruce, and we're from Maui, Waui. Our phone number is 219-746-3934, and we have the best gourmet smoothies in the islands, and you're watching Caribbean TV.
Once you set foot on Jamaican soil, you'll begin a journey you'll never forget. You'll encounter our many moods, from adventurous to playful, from elegant to laid back. You'll discover unexpected treasures and unexpected pleasures from a warm, gentle people who will charm you with our sunny smiles and infectious laughter. Come, explore our Jamaica.
Well now, come
Jamaica lies in the Western Caribbean Sea, southeast of Miami. Our island is easily accessible by direct flights from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Europe, and South America, with international airports in Kingston and Montego Bay. We're a nation born from a kaleidoscope of cultures. The majority of our people are of African descent, influenced by European, Chinese, and Indian traditions. And so, as our national motto says, we are truly out of many, one people. No matter who you are or what you like to do, there's a side of Jamaica that's waiting to welcome you. Kingston, the heartbeat of Jamaica and our capital city. With the stunning blue mountains as a backdrop, Kingston thrives as a business, social, and cultural center with art galleries, museums, and vibrant theatrical productions. Or revisit Kingston's rich history at sites like Port Royal, once home to infamous pirates and was known as the wickedest city in the New World. Or Spanish Town, just outside of Kingston. The old capital under the Spanish occupation of the island, Spanish Town is a showcase of historic Georgian-style buildings. Then there is the birthplace of tourism, idyllic Port Antonio, where a part of you will remain forever. A quaint seaside town set against vividly verdant towering mountains that slip into clear blue waters, Port Antonio is also known as the Little Hollywood of Jamaica and is the nature lover's paradise. Glide on a bamboo raft down the tranquil waters of the Rio Grande.
Jared's so fast that even when he stops rowing, our boat passes everybody else's.
Oh yeah, man, this is your X-Class, especially made for you.
Trek to Somerset Falls, nestled in the rainforest. Sail on your private yacht into the Port Antonio Marina, or dive into the refreshing deep azure waters of the Blue Lagoon. Port Antonio, naturally. Once a small fishing village, Ocho Rios offers everything from a profusion of tropical flora to exciting outdoor activities. Play with friendly bottlenose dolphins at Dolphin Cove. Take an unforgettable horseback ride through fruit plantations or along the beach. Climb the world-famous Dunn's River Falls. Visit Fern Gully, a natural haven for an abundance of ferns, many of them found only in Jamaica. Or go river tubing down the gentle meandering White River. Ocho Rios, the centerpiece of Jamaica.
John Old, Jonathan Ellis, Delroy Wilson, Dennis Brown. Hey,